Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to restore your WhatsApp the same way it was the previous time before updating it. You understand? So today I'm going to show you guys how you can make your status look the same way it was the previous time. You understand? So previously it was in serial form, it was lined up, but now you can't find them like that again. Previously it was like this, it was like this before. You can find status easily, but now it's no more like this. So I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to restore it the same way it is in my own now. You understand? That's the same way it was. So I'm going to show you guys a simple thing on how to do it. Alright, let's go into it. As you can see, this is now how my status look. You understand? But today I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to remove all these things. Alright, so for you to get it back in your list form, what you have to do is all those channels that you followed, just unfollow every of those channels. You understand? But before then, please, I made this video the previous time on how you can be able to switch your WhatsApp accounts. You understand how you can use two different types of WhatsApp, two different types of WhatsApp accounts on the same WhatsApp application. I made a video on how to do that. So if you haven't watched the video, please kindly go and watch the video so that you won't consume your space by doing two different types of WhatsApp. Alright, so go and click on all these channels that you followed before and follow those channels. As you can see, I'm following them one by one. All the channels that you followed, unfollow them. Let's go and see the magic. You see that once everything is done, as you can see, so just unfollow all those channels that you followed before, and everything will come back to normal. So you made the mistake and follow them, right? No, you didn't make a mistake, it's a choice. So just go back and unfollow them and get your WhatsApp the same way it was before, which is very much convenient now. This updates. Alright guys, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and like the video as well. Thank you guys, bye. See you in my next video.